In the great expanse of space, where galaxies dance in the heavens and stars burn in their fiery life cycles, there are few objects as mysterious and awe-inspiring as magnetars. These stars, with their magnetic fields more than 1 billion times stronger than that of the Sun, are among the most extreme and puzzling objects in the universe. Yet despite their power, they remain largely enigmatic. How can a star be so magnetically intense? What secrets do magnetars hold about the laws of physics? To answer these questions, we must first understand how such an extraordinary object comes into existence. Every magnetar begins life as a massive star, a star that is many times more massive than our Sun. When these stars burn out their nuclear fuel, the process that supports them, nuclear fusion, ceases. Without this outward pressure, the force of gravity pulls the star's core inward, squeezing it to unimaginable densities. What remains is a neutron star, a compact, dense object formed from the collapse of a massive star's core, where protons and electrons combine to form neutrons. This neutron star is not your average stellar remnant. It is a structure with a mass greater than the Sun, yet compressed into a sphere just 20 kilometers wide, about the size of a city. Imagine the weight of a teaspoon of neutron star material. It would weigh more than the entire human population of Earth. This is the birth of something extraordinary, but the real marvel begins when the neutron star starts spinning. As the neutron star spins, something remarkable happens. It starts to behave like a gigantic dynamo. The star's magnetic field, already powerful, is twisted and stretched by its rapid rotation. The faster it spins, the more the magnetic field becomes distorted. Over time, these forces amplify, causing the magnetic field to grow exponentially. Eventually, the magnetic forces become so powerful that the neutron star is transformed into a magnetar. The magnetic field of a typical neutron star is already mind-boggling. But in a magnetar, it becomes something far beyond anything we can imagine. The field of a magnetar is 1,000,000,000,000 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. This magnetic power is so great, it can distort the space around it, bending the very fabric of space-time. If Earth were to come within a few light years of a magnetar, its immense magnetic forces could tear apart the planet, disrupting the planet's atomic structure and annihilating all life. But this is only the beginning. For a magnetar, this intense magnetic field is not a passive phenomenon. It actively shapes the environment around it, creating phenomena far more complex and fascinating than anything we observe in regular stars. The most spectacular feature of magnetars is their ability to release extraordinary bursts of energy. These bursts, known as soft gamma-ray repeaters, SGRs, occur when the star's magnetic field undergoes sudden rearrangements or flips. These sudden shifts release enormous amounts of energy in the form of gamma rays, the highest energy radiation in the universe. These gamma-ray bursts are so intense, they can outshine entire galaxies for a brief moment. A single burst from a magnetar can release more energy than the Sun will emit over its entire 10 billion year lifespan. But these bursts don't just happen once. Some magnetars exhibit repeating bursts, creating a consistent rhythm of energetic release. These flares are a direct result of the constant instability of the magnetar's magnetic field, which can fluctuate and collapse unpredictably. When a magnetar emits a burst of gamma rays, the effect is felt far beyond its immediate vicinity. The radiation from these bursts is so powerful that it can ionize the surrounding gas, creating a storm of high-energy particles that blast outward from the star. These energetic storms can distort the fabric of space-time, bending light from nearby stars and altering the trajectories of particles traveling through the area. In effect, magnetars create cosmic weather systems, with forces so intense they warp the very structure of the universe around them. This distortion is so extreme that it's as though the magnetar is not only emitting energy, but is also bending the rules of physics itself, creating pockets of space where gravity and magnetism become forces we can hardly understand. The magnetar's influence stretches far beyond its own location, as its magnetic field can have profound effects on nearby stars, gas clouds, and even interstellar dust. The magnetic field of a magnetar is so powerful that it can alter the orbits of nearby stars and disrupt the behavior of interstellar gas clouds. In some cases, a magnetar's field can even pull a star toward it, accelerating the star's spin or stripping away layers of matter. These interactions could trigger the formation of new stars, or in some cases, create an entire new class of celestial bodies. The magnetar's magnetic field can also influence the behavior of nearby black holes, causing distortions in the flow of matter around them, and possibly even triggering bursts of high-energy radiation from the black hole itself. Magnetars are rare. There are fewer than 30 known magnetars in the entire Milky Way galaxy. Yet despite their rarity, these stars represent some of the most energetic and fascinating phenomena in the universe. We observe them not only because of their extreme power, but also because of the insights they provide into the fundamental forces that shape the universe. By studying magnetars, scientists can learn more about the nature of matter at its most extreme and how the laws of physics break down in the presence of incredibly strong magnetic fields. Through advanced telescopes and space observatories, scientists continue to study magnetars. These celestial detectives search for patterns in the gamma-ray bursts and the magnetic fluctuations emitted by these stars. By analyzing the data, they can learn more about how these stars form, how their magnetic fields evolve, and how their extraordinary bursts of energy are generated. Each new discovery about a magnetar brings us one step closer to understanding the deeper mechanics of the universe. But magnetars are not just important for understanding high-energy physics. They also provide insight into the early universe. These stars are thought to have existed since the early days of cosmic history, when the first supernovae began to shape the fabric of space and time. Studying their birth, evolution, and eventual death gives us a glimpse into the processes that shaped galaxies, stars, and even planets. Like all stars, magnetars have a finite lifespan. Their magnetic fields, which initially produce such immense energy, will eventually begin to decay. Over time, the star's intense magnetic activity will subside, and the magnetar will lose its distinctive features. The field will weaken, and the magnetar will cease to be a magnetar, fading back into a quieter existence as a regular neutron star. But even as the magnetar fades, it leaves behind a lasting legacy, shaping the galaxy it inhabits. The magnetar represents one of the greatest mysteries of the universe, a final glimpse into the most extreme and complex forces governing the cosmos. Its magnetic field, its bursts of gamma radiation, and the very nature of its existence teach us about the universe's most fundamental processes. These stars, these cosmic titans, continue to captivate us, urging us to look deeper, think bigger, and imagine the unimaginable. The universe is vast, and within it, there are still countless mysteries waiting to be discovered. As we look to the stars, we begin to realize how small we are in the grand scheme of things, and yet how deeply interconnected we are with the very forces that shape the cosmos. Magnetars are a reminder that even in the deepest, most violent corners of space, there is a beauty and complexity that transcends our understanding.